And this time we're going to do this, that and the other, and it's going to cause oh fuck.
So guys, if you cannot already tell, we are in the garage with the old MR2, which is still up for sale. It is currently nearly 10 PM and we are just about to sort the scoop out because this needs to go on Chris's car. It needs to be sanded, more bonded, primed, painted and clear coated in a day. So we have tonight, pretty much all of tomorrow before Kop Hill to get it all sorted and get it on the car so it looks good, ready for Kop Hill.
Yay.
Yay. Okay, so we have got this whole like edge to do there, which isn't going to be fun.
So we're using a trowel.
That's not a trowel, babe.
So we're using a paint scraper. I'm making a nice mortar paste for my bricks so I can. No, I'm not gonna do that.
If you can't tell, there's been wine involved in this process.
I don't know what you're on about.
And now we're getting high off filler. It's a great night.
Just like when I lay the bricks in my day job. I don't lay bricks in my day job.
Yeah. You wouldn't get no job laying it like that.
No?
No.
This is not how you lay bricks.
Absolutely not, because that's a filing knife.
When I lay bricks in my day job.
So it has been filled all the way down just because that was a big
precisely.
seam. Yeah, because Chris lays bricks in his day job. So yeah, we need to prop this up because I need to stop holding it.
We got a load of bungee cords and a dream.
So I guess that is that done for the night because it is literally now gone 10 o'clock.
Test complete.
And we will see you guys back here at 7 AM in the morning on Friday.
Will we get sanding?
Well, we get sanding. See you in the morning. Okay, good morning. It is 7 AM right now.
My hair's a mess.
And we have got like an hour and a half, something like that. 2.5 hours to get this sorted, this bracket cut, and then a couple other bits on the other car. But yeah, let's get straight to it. Okay, we are just about to paint in our very professional little paint booth. Yeah, it's not going too well. Okay, so like 1 to 2 layers of primer has just gone on this thing now. Here is our beloved bumper as well, which will be on Chris's channel. We have got a whole bunch of stuff to try and fix this up a little bit more. But for now, the scoop is just going to dry and we are going to angle grind some stuff. This is the bracket for Chris's Japanese light up number plate. So we're just going to cut off here because now he's got his new radiator. It doesn't quite fit that well and we don't want the radiator damaged. So he's just going to cut this off and then we're going to put it on at the show tomorrow. Wow. That came off really easy.
Yeah.
So next stage is painting the scoop with Chris's colour match paint and then putting it on the car. And yeah, hopefully it gets done in time for tomorrow, but we don't have all day today because we are going out with family today, so we will see you guys tonight. Okay, so it is, I don't even know what time it is.
Oh, my watch is off.
It is nearly 8 PM. We've just got home and we have decided the night before Kop Hill to take the bonnet off the car and resand it and repaint it. So yeah, that's happening alongside the scoop as well, which has actually gone matte for some reason.
And has left a couple of little holes that we need to sand up or bond up. Okay,
that's mission first, and then we're going to take the bonnet off. We need to drill a hole out the bonnet because it's not actually on properly because there was like a bolt that got stuck. It's a whole situation. Are we gonna get it done in time? Yes.
Hopefully.
We're gonna get up at like 5-6 AM tomorrow to try and sort it. But yeah, we've got our little paint set up ready to go and we're gonna go take the bonnet off. So the bonnet has just been bonded and the scoop has just been bonded as well. And are you gonna go in and sand? Yeah? Okay, sick. We're probably gonna have to get up at like 5 tomorrow morning. So yeah, it's fun times. So, quick update, Chris has painted the scoop and clear coated it, whilst I have been re-sanding down the bonnet and have just gone over it in black primer, where I've just sanded down just to make it smoother, and I'm really hoping it blends in. It is now, what time is it?
I don't know.
10 p.m. Sick. Yeah, look at that shine on that. Ooh. Whoa. It's gonna look so good. But yeah, this will probably go on the car tomorrow with this, so we're in a bit of a time crunch, but fingers crossed we get it done. It is 6 a.m. the morning of Kop Hill. The bonnet looks attached, but is in fact not attached. Scoop is hopefully dry. We have had about 5 hours sleep, and yeah, it's gonna be a long day. So yeah, I guess we're gonna start with this. I know this needs some realignment, which isn't ideal, and we don't really have time for it, but we'll see what we can do. Last night I went around these bits, so I think they look better, just because I want it to be like a little bit smoother and just look a little bit more clean. So hopefully that's fine, but Chris is on his way now, and we're gonna put this thing together. We have already ran into problem number 1, in that we have found this like grounding wire which was attached to the side panel. Completely forgot it was there, so we're going to try like reroute it maybe down here somewhere. And we're also thinking, how does this open with the scoop on? So Chris has just gone to get the scoop now. Ta-da! She's green.
It does colour match, but you can't tell because it's not wet.
Okay.
Because, oh, so it does just sit in the grooves like the old one did. So we only need to drill.
It's just those 2 on that side we need to drill.
Hell.
Ooh, that's tight. Is it gonna fit? It's got to. So scoop isn't on because we need a few extra bits which we don't have. We just don't have time for. And yeah, so we're gonna pop back to Chris's mum's, grab some stuff, and hopefully put this thing on at the show so he can go up the hill with it. But now we're gonna focus on the bonnet. So I think it was 12mm, 2 12mm and a 13mm. They're on the back of the other MR2, because there was a bolt snapped in there. So we're just gonna ignore that. Like it's on enough, it's fine. Okay, we made it. We're in the queue. There is cars literally everywhere. We're just about to park, and then we'll show you guys our spot. We made it to the show. The scoop is on. Yeah. And it is not going anywhere. It looks good. It does need a polish with the rest of the car, but look how sick that looks. We're gonna get some.
We did get a couple of scrapes.
It's gonna look so good. We've got our staple food for the car show. So we're all set up, we're all cleaned, we've had our safety briefing. After much convincing, Chris is letting me go in the passenger seat up the hill with him. But yeah, I'm super excited. I think we're going about 12:15, so yeah, it is about to rain though, and if anyone who has an MR2 will know that in the rain, you probably shouldn't drive it up the hill at, I don't know what mile per hour.
Stupid mile an hour.
But you know, we're gonna see what happens. We get to warm the tyres up first as well, so yeah, let's see what happens. We just did a hill climb.
That was so fun.
Like, that was insane. That was actually insane. I actually can't. That was so much fun. I want to go again now. Like, that was so sick.
That was incredible.
It makes me want to race cars so bad.
Yeah.
Like, I want to rally cars so bad. It was so good. I literally can't. Is that a Supra?
It is a Supra. Janadons.
I don't like them.
No?
I really don't like them. You love them, don't you?
I love them.
I don't know. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are.
Fistable or non-fistable wing mirrors?
Or you could just call them Ganadors.
Fistable or non-fistable wing mirrors?
You heard it here first.
A little bit more. There's a gangster
Spot of the day, a gangster car. We're just gonna ignore these
outside Supra, but you know,
because we have spotted the gangster car. It's very clean. Oh, we like it. Sunday after Kop Hill because we only went for one day, and oh my god, what a day, what a weekend. Today we're focusing mainly on the bumper, and there will be a full video of us doing whatever we're doing to the bumper today over on Chris's channel, so make sure you go and subscribe. But first we are making a quick Costa stop because
cheeky stop.
Chris had a lot of wine last night.
I'm fine.
So yeah, quick Costa stop and then we'll get to garage bits. Okay, goods are secured. Are we going toy shop or are we going back to the car to go do garage things? So back to the garage to do yeah, not to the toy shop. No, okay. That's good. Wait, do you want to try this? That's
I'm okay.
Insane.
I don't.
That's insanely good. That one's sick too, though. I like you can do the wheels.
Look at these ones. These are so cool as well.
I didn't even see that one.
I know.
That one's sick. Costa is secured. We didn't find any cool Hot Wheels in the toy shop.
I wasn't allowed the NSX.
But anyway, we're gonna go back to the garage now and do some bumper bits. And this is the situation because if you guys know MR2s, you know a lot of us don't have cup holders. We don't have cup holders, so yeah, this is gonna be a really fun trip with him driving. For this influencer.
That's my joke.
You can't make that joke anymore. We're finally en route to do garage stuff now, after like getting distracted for an hour with Hot Wheels and Costa. Let's go.
I don't know what you're on.
So we are finally back in the garage now, and today is focused on the bumper. And last time we sanded it all down, stuff like that, but there will be a full video on Chris's channel about it. But I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of what we're doing. We're just going to basically try and put like all of these cracks back together with metal and fiberglass and try and get some shape back, I guess. But you know, I don't know, we're gonna go cafe in the machine to do some editing, stuff like that, so we haven't got masses of time whilst we're down here, but we'll do as much as we can whilst we're here. So far we haven't done a lot of progress, but we're getting there, I promise. Yeah, we've started with the centre because we think that's probably the easiest place because it's a flat surface and we've never fiberglass before. We've got all our materials here on our work truck MR2, so we've got all our fiberglass, stuff like that, gloves, masks, because we're safe. And yeah, we've just done this to support the bumper a bit more whilst we're fiberglassing from behind. But yeah, honestly, it's a challenge. Okay, fiberglass sheet is on there and you can honestly hardly see it. It's looking good. I expected this like solution thing to be clear, but it's like a weird brown colour. I guess it is resin, so I guess resin's not really clear, is it? I don't know. Bumper update. I actually did some fiberglassing myself, so don't say I don't do anything. And yeah, this is all done now. Chris is just cutting some strips to do the supports, and then we're going to angle grind the supports off, like just these end bits, just so they fit a little bit nicer, and they're going to go on this underside just to make sure it doesn't sag. So we have cut one of the supports and we are going to put it on now, and then that will be it. I think we are going to go to cafe in the machine to do some editing bits like that. So after that, it's about an hour and a half drive and then another hour and a half back home. But yeah, we'll see you guys maybe at caffeine, and yeah. So en route to Cafe the Machine, we have found this Copen, which we are currently racing. It is insane. I think it only has like 80 horsepower, but it is like, it is so insanely sick. Look, it is actually crazy.
You don't like the cringe, do you?
No. Okay, Cafe the Machine was a whole vibe. There wasn't anything super crazy. There is like a skyline there, which is kind of sick, but yeah, nothing super crazy. So we are going to head home now and go to sleep, well-deserved sleep, because
yes,
it's been a busy weekend.